All right, guys, this is last couple of days energy update. The only huge thing that I see on the Schumann Resonance is lines. There's just so many lines. And lines for me is integration. It's integration of the energy. There is a lot of calm within the graph, surprisingly, but these lines are integration. But not only integration, they are rewriters. So in this video, I'm going to go over the importance of seeing lines on the graph and understanding what that means in my mind. That way, when you are looking at the graph, you can correlate what's going on in the world and all of that mumbo jumbo. So if that tickles your fancy, definitely stick around.
Guys, isn't human life just so freaking crazy?
Hi guys, my name is Chloe from the Galactic Soul, also known as Chloe Sheds Light. I am a consciousness teacher and I love to talk about anything having to do with the universe and humanity. So if that is your jam, definitely hit subscribe. You will want to know. I also want to say that many people don't have their notifications on. I post a lot, so I would definitely turn on the notifications if you want to know more faster, I guess. But anyway, today we're going to talk about the last couple of days on the Schumann resonance and understanding that these signs within the graph are actually astounding. It's absolutely fantastic and it totally resonates. And what I want you to notice is there are a lot of lines within this graph. And these lines, for me, metaphysically, this isn't scientific, this is intuitive. And whenever I see these lines, it automatically means that something is happening having to do with our collective timeline. And we do see a lot of lines, but usually not like this. That is a different pattern than what we're seeing over here today. These line after line after line patterns, these only happen when huge shifts are happening. This is a huge shift idea where normally the lines look like this over here. This is the last 2 or 3 days. These lines are integration lines, and these integration lines are rewriting a timeline metaphysically. This is not scientifically proven. These are my own thoughts on the Schumann resonance and how. And because I've been reading it for so long, I know specific patterns and what they look like. So this is regular integration where we received energy and we are integrating with that energy in order to level up. These lines over here, this is a different pattern. This is something that only happens every once in a while. And this is rewriting, big collective timeline being rewritten. And it's crazy how this was showing up this week. And then Saturday morning happened. And unless you have decided to stay out of the news and not listen to the extra noise in order to heal your nervous system or anything like that, this is just something to note. On Saturday, the war in Iran went haywire. And I'm not saying that I wanted this to happen. That's not what I want. I want peace. I want love. I want people to understand each other and how they live their lives, all of that. I want every good in the world. But unfortunately, we're going through a dark night of the soul. As a global collective, we are going on the dark night of the soul. And in the dark night of the soul, a lot of bad things, negative vibrational things happen in order to put order into place. There's going to be a lot of things that happen within the next 2 years specifically that is really going to benefit the overall outcome and the overall timeline of the collective. And that's really hard for me to say, but as an intuitive, as an empath, as someone who reads between the lines in a lot of things, it's important for you to understand that this isn't just happening because people want to drop bombs on people. No, this is the better for the overall collective timeline. Is everyone going about it the correct way? What is the correct way? What is normal? But is everyone going about it the right way? Probably not. We could do something else in order to make the same jump within our human timeline. But this is the way that it's playing out. And there is a greater plan. I do believe that universe has us. I trust that the universe is understanding that we need to do something in order to better human collective consciousness and human timeline. That is very important. But unfortunately, things that are at a negative vibration need to happen in order to ascend, in order to be higher in vibration. And I believe that the bombs that were dropped on Saturday morning were rewrite for a higher and best timeline for the collective. And I get it. I know that's crazy to hear. And if that triggers you, it should trigger you to start really going inward and looking at the collective, looking at the bigger picture, what we're doing here. And every single person has a plan. Every single person has a soul contract in what they are doing in their lives. And of course, as a human, we go through these times of turmoil and trauma, but something comes out of that. There is a lesson for everything. And you choose those lessons before you come in to this lifetime. And if you don't believe in reincarnation, that's fine. These are my thoughts. But sometimes, and I actually spoke about this in a previous video. If I remember what video, I will definitely link it up here. But sometimes when it was Matthew 2. So if you want to look at that, I know Bibles trigger people, but it has a lot of wisdom in it. So I definitely recommend to go look at that. But in Matthew 2, it really talks about ego and inner child. When you are trying to level up and you are trying to ascend and you are trying to come enlightened and closer to source, God, universe, whatever, when you are trying to get there, sometimes you have to go where the ego is comfortable. So you have to take 2 steps back in order to take 5 steps forward. And that's what I feel is happening here. And Dark Night of the Soul, that happens a lot because you're going in this battle between your ego and who you truly are. Your ego is what is really around you and is keeping you safe, but really it's a mask. It's not the true authentic you. It's just trying to keep the true authentic you safe. I could go on about this for hours, but this is what is happening right now in the Schumann Resonance. There's a lot of rewriting, and the song that's coming to my head right now is Natasha Bedingfield, The Rest is Still Unwritten. It's still being written is the vibe that I'm getting, the timeline. And understanding linear and divine timing is really going to be huge here because there is a plan that is going to bring us to a higher vibration. But we have to trust in God, universe, source, prime creator, whatever you believe in. We just have to trust. We have to understand that this is a greater story than we could ever imagine. Over the last few hours, though, there are a little bit of removals having to do with the subconscious in theta. So that is at 8 hertz on the Schumann Resonance Graph. There is a little bit of red and yellow in there. So you might be feeling a little bit emotional today more than ever. And I think that's going to play through to March 3rd, tomorrow, the blood moon. If you want to know more about the blood moon, definitely click this link. It's going to be a huge release tomorrow if you're watching on March 2nd. This is when I'm posting it. So just be mindful of the energy because there is going to be a lot of release energy coming in for the next day or so. So be mindful of that. But overall, get ready for my March energy update. It's going to be an overall energy update for the month of March. And super excited to talk to you about that. But also just know I am internally working on something that is going to be super beneficial for all you conscious minds out there to live consciously. And if you want to stick around for that, I would definitely hit subscribe because I'm going to be talking about it more and more as we get closer to the launch. But it is going to be about conscious living, about how to lead in a conscious life. So I'm very excited about it. So definitely hit subscribe if you're interested. But this is the energy update as of right now. I hope this resonated. If it did resonate, please give me a thumbs up. Leave what you're feeling in the comments. I love to hear from you guys, but I'm sending you so much love, so much light. Stay stellar, my friends.